I'm Vika and I'm from Sec 1. 3 to 4 months. Science and math. First of all, she will like give me like a lot of questions. She'll explain how to do the questions, and then I have to do it by myself. And if I don't know, I will ask, and she will teach me like again. She will go through the slides again. If I don't know the topic of self, she will show me some videos. After watching the video, she will like explain it. She also does notes with me, so like I'll understand it better. And it actually helps me during exams. Like I can just like easily revise. She teaches me step by step. If she's like, okay, I'm gonna explain this part to you, then she will really explain it until I understand. Last time I got below 50, and this time I passed and I got like 70 something. Yes, I would really like recommend like these lessons to my friends, because most of my friends like really want a patient teacher and like someone who can actually teach them to make sure they understand the topic. The rest of the teachers, they are very patient and kind. I feel like my friends would love them.